Hi, and welcome back to Travels with Sheila. Here is a look at Vancouver in early September. This was yesterday, September 8th, and a gorgeous walk from a little spot we call Secret Beach here in Kitsilano, Vancouver. I don't know about you, but at this time of year, it seems the flowers become more vibrant as the evenings are. They're not cool at all, but they're cooler than they have been. And how's that for a maple leaf? It's lovely to get out in nature, whatever the season, even better when the skies are clear. This was part of an early morning walk. The same spot was quite overcast earlier in the morning, and yet it didn't take too long for it to brighten up. And there's a log, the remains of a log, that has been in this area for decades. And the park board recently hacked away an end of it that is not adjacent to the seawall that was restored. Go figure the logic. However, nice to be thinking about good things, and that includes all this scenery and the spectacular day. I hope your day is also great.